Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic MagicPlan tutorial how to merge room. I will create new floor plan, ground floor, and click insert room, add square room, and I will add a living room. Next I will insert again another room. So in here I will use dining room. And then you can see we have these two room, living room and dining room. So if you want to merge, first I will resize this living room. I will set for length into 4, and then for width in 4 again. Now to merge, you can select this dining room and then click edit layout. So you can move this layout like into here to be automatically merged between these two rooms. You also can move again this dining room to the top a bit, so to be erase the wall. I will move again into here and can release to be erase the walls and merge between these two rooms. Okay, that's it for basic MagicPlan tutorial how to merge rooms. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.